Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick video on anybody that's trying to diagnose an Eloys fault on a Peugeot 1.6 HDI. This can be like the 308 or the 3008s. A lot of the Peugeots share the same engines. Anyway, this car has got a fault with the what's called the Eloys tank, and this is the Eloys tank. Now what I've actually just done is something you want to do is before you go condemning the tank, you want to back probe into the connector. Can you see there? Back probe into the connector, and you can use just a standard multimeter in order to make sure you've got signal, ground and feed. And by doing that, I've just done that on this car. We've the circuitry, like the wiring looms, all seems good. So now the next stage is to replace the Eloys tank and then reprogram that into the car. Unfortunately, with a lot of Peugeots these days, you need the software in order to program in like new components. To be fair, it doesn't actually need programming, but what needs to happen is you need to tell the car that you've fitted a new Eloys tank, and then the system needs to be primed, as there is like an Eloys injector that sends that fluid into the DPF. I hope this short video was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.